This is Test Kitchen Quarantine. Such a blessing for Tamana Lamb to send out care packages to many chefs in times of need. I took chocolate mint and oregano and blended it with garlic and olive oil and roasted it at 450 degrees until medium rare and then let rest. Roasted it over a mixture of root vegetables thanks to Chef's Garden. I want that lamb fat, those drippings, to coat the vegetables. I removed the lamb and let it rest and then cooked the root vegetables in the lamb fat until tender. This is a simple way that any home cook, anyone can approach a rack of lamb. Don't be afraid, it's delicious. Even if you overcook it, it's still gonna be tender, still gonna be juicy. Enjoy.